Tips that will help you become a better golfer. Golf is an interesting and exciting sport that can be as fun to play as it is to watch. It isn't easy, however, and everyone from the beginner to the pro can benefit from the following tips and tricks. Just by trying one of these tricks, you may learn something you didn't know before. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you have good flexibility. This is important both to ensure that you do not injure yourself on the course, but also to make sure that your shot is as fluid and powerful as possible. Golf is a matter of patience and focus. You really need to take your time in understanding where you are on the course, choosing your club and setting up your shot. Trying to rush through things will only result in a sloppy shot and higher scores. Keep yourself focused and block out others around you. Always hydrate yourself and be sure to stretch before you start a round of golf. Staying in shape can really improve your golf game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you are accurately able to read the lay of the green. You are going to have to determine how hard you hit the ball and where you aim it based on the slope, distance, and green conditions. Be sure to look from all possible angles before putting. If you are trying to get more distance out of your shot, you should point your toes out and widen your stance. Complete the backswing to put your club in the right position. Practicing these techniques will ensure that you will get more distance out of your golf shot. A little research can go a long way, and you might see a real improvement in your game and technique by giving the previous tips a try. In the end, though, the best thing you can do is go out there and take the sport seriously while still having a great time. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn. You'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.